大家對於呢個車？
屌，平時不嬲旅行都係呢啲，我哋呢啲質素㗎啦。太 cheap 我唔坐㗎，真係嗰啲咪爛啲。而家呢個可以接受 standard 咯，呢架
standard 咯，係咯
standard。哇，有水可以免費㗎，
兩盒撚 cheap 嘅問題。屌你老母！冇得驚人哋收鳩佢錢啊！屌你老母 ！Excuse me。邊有飲啊嘛？我請你啦，好唔好啊？我請啊！
嗰個筋啊！
唔好同我爭啊！
我哋嗰個筋啊，無論去到邊度都好，嗰個筋咧都要喺度。
又要入睇。
有乜嘢一個 shot 咧係將我哋全部哇！後座孖喎兄弟。
未開始數啊！而家要少少時間拼咁翻。
佢哋而家好似有啲尷尬咁。
因為邊隻今年先復出翻啊嘛。
ហើយបីបងស្ងៀមបែបនេះបងក៏ដឹងថាអូនជាមនុស្សគិតច្រើនបងធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខ្វល់ខ្វាយប្រាប់ឲ្យហើយបងត្រូវទទួលខុសត្រូវគូ依個ថា
我哋而家準備去呢個巴拿山上邊嗰度
啦，我哋而家去
行緊去搭纜車。
咁啊，我哋睇咗好多嗰啲戇鳩 blog 咧，都話上到嚟咧係會
好凍嘅，
我熱撚到媽臭閪咁。
唔係，其實我哋未上到去嘅。
OK，
上到去可能大家就會唔同講法㗎啦。
睇下點咯。
依家上到去會凍啲嘅，大啦，你點睇啊？擔唔擔心先？
擔。
你有冇帶褸啊？
冇帶啦。哇！到咁，
山門點解咁樣飛撚咗落去我可能？真正賴屎，你隻手屎啊！甩幾撚實？係啊！屌你有冇拍緊信咁撚樣啊！而家隻手好撚驚喎，真係好撚驚坐呢啲嘢嘅。龜頭山水甲，
塊面汗水添啊！
阿唐山水甲。上到嚟有冇感覺涼咗少少？
係涼咗嘅，
但係凍啊嘛，係嘛？
凍就唔會唔到凍嘅。
我啱啱好嘅，我覺得有少少凍，
舒服咯。
其實係可以再涼少少，我覺得。我覺得我哋出咗去出邊咧就會 feel 到凍。
我覺得咁樣係最舒服嘅而家。
但係你係 sensor 嚟㗎嘛，你決定一切㗎啦。
佢係感冒嘅警告。
而家應該咧大概25度左右嘅喺呢度。要着翻件褸咧。好啦，繼2012年之後咧，温偉健再度出江湖，挑戰翻呢個籃球嘅遊戲。威健，你今次諗住入幾多球啊？
講喺邊講？6年前喺曼谷蝕嘈咗，今日解凍，嘗試俾個機會你。希望今次有啲好表現。第一球！
哇！屌你個閪！喂，射好啲好！哇！
蝕嘈佢啦，喂你又冇打波啦！
喂，你又唔數波嘅？喂，教練今次對威健嘅表現，你有咩睇法？
我即係希望佢趁後生咧轉行啦，教唔到你啦。
佢喺2012年入到2019年都係。
你做人咁多年都冇進步嘅，吔屎啦你！
好啦，而家我哋就睇下 K 教練係有咩能力啊？
罰球9成2嘅好同。
睇第一球點先？
第一球
係唔入嘅，睇嚟應該係袁先生棘住咗佢隻手臂嘅。
除咗件衫佢啦。
好，佢認真啦。哎呀，都係傲啲會射晒。哇！夠分啊！一球！我試下射呢個框。頂住咗射唔肯到喎。
射手喎！
哇！西方由首席射手啊，吔屎啦！西哥兄弟 ，Scare！
玩你哋。喂，俾友啊，度。
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer, sound.
冇乜咩拉仔？冇啊冇啊，屌冇！有俾。
你心情平復翻未啊？
不如拉仔你自己口述一次今日發生咗咩事好嘛？
波膽啊！
飛機孖寶。
幫佢打。
等下你口述翻。
我冇炒車，我點樣爭你啊？
等下你口述翻你今日發生咩事？
很擅長啊，講呢啲。
等下你口述翻發生咩事先好唔好啊？
口述翻。
你慢慢講，俾你撞一鳩我下先。
唔得，我講唔到，真係講唔到。
好簡單。
講唔到啊！史官，
就係阿達拉將架車攞去公務，撞撚到炒咗，崩撚到炒撚晒。
Driver, they must protect by themselves, not the hotel. In case you have some problem inside the hotel.
咁我哋咁啱執
You bum in the car, the tree. So it means that the reason why your car have you pump into the tree. You pump into the tree. Sit down.
我哋開燈啊！屌你！
係咧，唔開燈有咩意思啊
Can we open the light?
Open the light. Turn on the light.
Turn on 佢都未必知啦，會。
哥哥坐船頭，岸上走。
影翻出呢啲咁。
而家咧，我哋就係我哋俾咗400蚊船頭，咁而家就送我哋翻香港。
呢個叫洗頭艇
啊！咁但係如果去到突然間入海關咧，我 feel 到個8倍恐鳩你落船啦。
嗰紮鬼佬仲慘啊，得一排燈㗎。
Hello。
冇交電費喎，屌你！壓鳩人價咪得一邊咯啊！
誒。
其實我哋而家個目的地喺邊度啊？
演講啊嘛！屌你！如果越南人溝女咧，好撚用。過嚟啦，我帶你互相玩。跟住然後咧10點幾仲要扯人哋上船。
冇車啦。跟
住然後咧10點半出嚟，哎呀冇車啦，我哋不如揾間酒店啦。
跟住講冇車，但出面啲車度
係咁噗噗噗嘅，係啊啲電單車咪，
冇車，係啊，
冇㗎啦 ，baby 唔好傻啦，你接唔到嗰啲車㗎。
嚟啊 ，baby 送喎，
唔錯喎。
喂，原來 free candle 就係咁解。
好，而家放啦。
要許願先㗎。
去咗啦。
去咩啊？
去。
我希望我成功。
今晚對穿場。
嚟啊，好啊。
好。
我許個願望先。
沉撚咗啦。
屌你！
拉爺許個咩願望啊？希望架車聽日突然之間好翻係咪
？OK，咁放落得㗎，可以抌落去。
反轉啦，調轉放。
吸落去。
吸落去啊！
吹色點講？
哇！師兄。
哇！師兄。 啫，驚死！哇死！我識打拳嘅喎，我唔識游水喎。
聽
拜拜。
你睇佢條仔黑撚撚面。
而家我係呢間屋喎，
廟嚟喎。
哇！我冇 book 到喎，
到喎，
俾咗太錢㗎咯喎，12好似走㗎咯喎。
我哋俾咗錢啊菜未啊？未啊未。嗱呢單我唔包㗎，包唔到咁多單嘅。
嘅我 OK 啊，煮嘢食我冇所謂㗎，我唔食都得㗎。我食嗰樣我有啲飽喎。
我真係買個飯食得㗎啦喎。
好，我哋而家開始 cooking class。咁啊，我哋而家首先搭車去呢個 local market。
擠壁湖，屌你老母坐8個人。
Yellow 街
Yellow 街啊
Yellow fucking 街。
變咗 Yellow 街。M 丹碟。
What？
鮮炒
鮮炒。M 丹碟。安迪頓。
一堆個班。
How long have you been here?
3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
Okay. Where's your hotel?
High-end beach.
Oh.
Yeah. High-end beach. High-end beach.
High-end beach.
Yes, last night.
The night before.
The night before, yes. Our friend parked the car, and when he
Go back, right?
yeah, crashed with a tree.
Oh my
It's
god.
crash. Car can float.
Car can float.
And crash. Be driver, my friend.
Be careful, my friend.
你好啊，
同廣度街市差唔多嘅。
帶佢行翻廣度街市啦。
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Top dog, fight them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, still homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances.
This is pizza. Kind of seafood.
No.
What is this?
No. This is the intestine of beef.
臘腸啊，大士菠蘿。
No, not 大士菠蘿. I know 大士菠蘿.
榴蓮。
It's smaller.
西士菠蘿。
Not 榴蓮. 榴蓮 is maybe it's a
Mango.
熱情果。
Passion fruit.
no.
麒麟果。
火龍果。
This is sour.
面。
Similar with Sika. 番鬼荔枝.
番鬼。哦。You know 拗荔枝。
拗荔枝 what does this mean?
拗荔枝 which means
拗荔枝。
拗荔枝 what does it mean?
time explain. 呢要大間我呢個邊。Okay, we can start now.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
What does this mean?
Pad Thai.
ส้มต
Vietnamese now. Papaya salad.
Papaya salad. ส้มต
Yeah, quite similar. And the second.
spring roll.
But we will cook with the fish sauce.
魚雞啊？係啊。
This is the sour fish soup. One traditional soup, but not curd. Yeah, this is a homemade soup.
加棵樹啊？加 smoke.
Sweet. Marijuana.
We don't use it for cooking. You know this one?
Yes. Marijuana.
No.
Cannabis.
This is the taro.
No, marijuana. You lie.
I will show when you want to cook the soup, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
青木瓜哇，You speak Cantonese 啊？哇，勁喎！
我攞個角嚟刨。
是生炸子。
哇，可以做我表姐。
我肯啦，表姐。
You are usually cooking at home
Yes.
every day?
Not every day. We cook instant noodles and cup noodles.
It's easy to cook noodles.
Yeah, no, it's difficult. You have to control the time management. How fast is it? How far is it? 7. Mini Mundui.
Yeah.
对啦，跑回来。一。做得好喎。跑多少分？不能接受啊！真的啊。
This is the first time you come to Hong Kong.
Yes. 有冇人？因為你哋唔會再嚟啦。
Nowadays, many more people come to Hong Kong.
Yes, because YouTuber introduced this place.
So after that, you also
Yes, we will recommend people to come here.
Come to this class.
We only have 5 subscribers.
I will follow you later.
Then I have 6 subscribers.
Why can you speak Cantonese? You have Hong Kong boyfriend, huh?
I have Hong Kong friends.
Oh, where?
Oh, Hong Kong boyfriend. Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, I don't know where you are.
Hong Kong MK Zen.
I don't know.
Have you ever been to Hong Kong?
Not yet.
When you come to Hong Kong, don't find us.
Very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
I see Hong Kong people, they are very friendly.
like us.
Yeah, not sure, but
Not sure.
MYN. What is that mean?
you want to follow you.
And Dick M.
Dick 係咩啊
I like you.
I like you.
Oh.
And Dick M.
Game on. And Dick M.
And Dick M.
Come here just few days and you learn a lot of things.
You have no idea.
有邊有兩個表喎？手打我最好。手打 brother。
睇下邊個打得快啲喎你？點講都打。You should say 唔該。Thank you very much。
Not on your side, it's very very.
咩唔該晒？我而家係熱身夠，熱身 more
I know
like
this one.
You know this one?
Ah, you have friend 啊？You have friend？啊，you have friend？屌鳩你啊！
One sugar.
啊 sugar 啊！
Garlic, and then chili. This one.
我打到攰喎手。
啱佢點膠嚟㗎？
Now put the my tea. At the end, you also put the egg white here to make it sticky. Easy, right? Can put your finger inside the tray.
Put your finger inside the tray.
Your finger, please.
做個傻閪。
Put inside. That's okay. So we have a still in Vietnam. She told that you look like a famous actor.
林膠啊哥，林膠啊，
蒸雞麵。
Like the place.
我屌鳩你啊！我好狀元啊，老車，係咪好狀元？好似硬撚脆喎，個面硬撚地，但我仍然硬
硬地啊，
個面咯，但我下面硬脆，佢仲硬撚過我喎。
Có chỗ cái kiểu mà thân xanh rose.
玫瑰。
Would wait the skin. Look like you the skin. Yeah, you can do it.
其他。
And from here, so rolling it heavy.
咁啊，
Okay, at the end, you get the small flower.
我呢個認真講就係堅住
攞晒去泰國個圖上。咩啊？
Two more. Narrow set.
你個任務圈，係啊，你就係煮一波啫嘛，就係咁簡單啫嘛，得嘢使乜咁驚啫 ？Important step。咁你係人㗎啦。跟住
Six people, just only one channel.
I have 1 new subscriber.
You cannot hide your channel. You are very famous.
Hey, subscribe. 6 subscribers.
Okay, so at the end, so we'll surprise movie for you. This is our recipe. So you can practice at home. Take it for your mother, for your good friends. You want to take photos?
Yes, take a photo together.
Okay.
好啦，蔡，你今日好高興嚟到呢個粉紅色大教堂。
係啊，
係咧，咁今日我哋嚟嘅目的係咩啊？
有個粉紅色嘅大教堂，咁我哋嚟咧就係嚟崇拜。
咁我哋開始噶咯喎，咁我1、2、3跳一下咁就開始啦。
要
哦，跳！
好嚟，哎，好啦，咁我哋而家去到呢個九龍咩啊？九龍公園嘅呢個清真寺啦，我哋嚟到係啦，就係呢個粉紅色嘅教堂啦。咁好熱啊！位喺邊啊？而家有冇幫我輸啲大媽啊？好啊，應該有絕對領域。呢個位幾好。唔該。
冇㗎啦，冇睇過 pose。我問好圖啊，問問聽。
Sit down, let the bitch be humble。
阿 Ken 有咩入鏡先？
我打啦！喂，仆街嘔，真係嘔，唔好咁錯，好路唔好咁錯，揸定啲，嘔緊，揸定啲。喂，套撚住佢，
達拉收皮啊！
彭子維最終慘淡收場，暈倒街頭。Are you okay？ 完全冇反應啊，冇晒反應啊！
Another summer day has come and gone away from Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. This was not your dream, but you always believed in me. Another winter day has come and gone away in either Paris or Rome, and I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people. I still feel alone. Let me go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. My run, baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.